So what we have here is an air burner box for burning vegetation. And it's also a cost-saving tool that Pinal County is going to start utilizing. And the good thing about this box is we can transport it to different yards. So we're going to be able to utilize this in every single area in Pinal County. So how it works is you ignite it from the side. Then once you get your heat and your fire source going, it allows you to dump at a certain height within the burn box. Right above that height is airflow, and that's what creates your air curtain. It starts blowing air and it keeps the temperature down and the fire down within the box, and it creates a fire curtain which prevents flames, which prevents smoke. 90% of the maintenance department, their responsibility is making sure our right-of-way is cleared. So we remove all the vegetation for site visibility. In the past years, it's been a cost. The gas-powered tools were a cost. So we created a vegetation process with a skid steer mulcher process. But we run into problems throughout the county where the vegetation is too big for our small tools to take care of. So we cut them down, and we usually either haul them to the landfill, which is a huge cost. And then at times we take it to our yard and it just piles up in our yard and it creates another hazard. So now we have the burn box. It's a two-man show, so it's going to be very cost-effective for Pinal County. In order to use this within Pinal County, we had to go through the permitting process that allows us to utilize it throughout Pinal County. This burn box is strictly used for vegetation. There's testing that you have to do yearly, so we're going to have to get this tested. We're going to follow the procedures that air quality wants us to do. Air quality and public works is going to work together to make sure that this process works.
Don't be intimidated about throwing big stumps in there.
It's going to be very cost-effective, and it's a safe way of doing things. It's a two-man show, and it's going to save Pinal County a lot of money. If we have a big project coming up in the county and we have a lot of vegetation that we got to remove, we can actually take it to the job site and take care of all our vegetation there on the spot. So it's just another vital piece of equipment that we're going to be able to utilize, and a very cost-effective tool.